Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to fix videos not playing in Reddit. So let's start this video. Open Reddit application. So once you're on the home page, if your videos are not playing like this or you have a problem in opening Reddit videos, so make sure that you are connected with stable data or Wi-Fi connection. But if the problem still occurs, you have to manage some settings. So click on your profile on the top right corner, then click on settings. Now scroll down and then click on media and animations, and from here you have to click on autoplay video previews. So if it is set to always, then whenever you scroll on Reddit, videos will play by itself. And when you set it on when on Wi-Fi, so when you are on Wi-Fi, then the videos will play automatically on Reddit. And if it is set on never, then the videos will not play automatically. Instead you have to click on them. So if the problem still occurs, you have to update Reddit application. So to update the application, you have to open your App Store or Play Store, then search for Reddit. And once you are in the Play Store, if there is an update available, just click on update. So once you have updated Reddit application, click on open and you can easily play the videos. If you are having problem after that option also, so you just need to go into your app settings, just click or hold on this Reddit application and then click on app info, then click on storage and cache, and from here you have to clear your storage, then you have to log in again with your Reddit account, then your problem will get solved. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.